The Shiv Sena on Tuesday gave a cold shoulder to BJP by skillfully downplaying the first anniversary of the Narendra Modi government. Samna carried a news report of Modi's Mathura rally on page 1 but placed the copy under the fold which Sena Watcher said was the party's rebuff to BJP. Neither was there an editorial comment for which the Sena mouthpiece is known, assessing the one-year rule of the NDA in which the Sena is a constituent ally, nor a message from Sena President Uddhav Thackeray congratulating the Prime Minister for completing 1 year in office, a senior state BJP functionary pointed out. The Sena has for long been at loggerheads with the BJP over a host of issues, including allocation of an insignificant portfolio, the Heavy Industries Ministry at the centre. The BJP Sena ties were further strained when the centre cleared administrative decks to expedite the Jaitapur power plant, to which the Sena is virulently opposed. Union Minister for Heavy Industries Anant Gite of the Sena on Tuesday reiterated his party's opposition to the Jaitapur nuclear plant in Konkan. Talking to media persons in Nagpur, Gite reportedly said Jaitapur was not the right choice for the N plant as the coastal stretch was prone to earthquakes. A nuclear plant would pose a threat to the lives of the people of Konkan and local ecology as well, Gite added. Notwithstanding the Sena's fuming and fretting, the BJP has declared that it would like to contest all civic elections in the state, including Mumbai, with Sena as its ally. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis recently made a statement to this effect. The Sena has welcomed Fadnavis's offer, but with abundant caution. Matoshri is aware that the BJP is keen on cozying up to the Sena for the crucial BMC elections in view of the Sena's robust organizational apparatus in Mumbai, said observers.